Hey gardening friends, it's time for potato harvest number 2. We have blue Adirondack and Kennebec potatoes that, as you can see, are all the way died back completely. They are gone. I may have waited just a little bit too long to harvest these, but we were on vacation. What can I say? We also have a bag that we grew some potatoes in, but we'll get to that later. First, let's see what's in this bed. Potatoes. These blue ones are hard to harvest because they look like rocks and dirt. Look, folks, this is officially the biggest potato I've ever grown. Look at that guy. Beautiful. Okay. Blue Adirondack and the couple random Kennebec that were on that side are done. This is what we've got left. We picked quite a lot of the blue ones when we did the first round of the red Norlands and the Yukon Golds. I don't know if I'm going to grow blue ones again this year or next year. They are really hard to see. Really hard to see. Like, is it a rock? Is it a clump of dirt? Or are you piercing through a potato as you try to get them loose? So now let's see what other white potatoes we have on this side. Oh, can I pierce another potato? Overall, I'm really happy with Kennebec potatoes. I mean, look at these guys. They're huge. I don't think I've ever grown a potato that's quite this big. Lots of good medium-sized ones too. This is definitely a variety that I will continue to grow. Now for the potato bag experiment. Okay, gonna dump this baby and see what's inside. Oop, the potato is already rolling. Okay. Let's see. So this was kind of a hodgepodge of potatoes. A bunch of extras that we had that weren't fitting in the rows. Okay. That's not bad for just a couple potatoes thrown in a bag. So if you're container gardening, you're gardening on your back deck, your balcony, whatever you're doing, I would try it. Get yourself some bags, plop some potatoes in and see what you can get. We had a volunteer potato because this was the potato bed last year. So now I'm gonna see what we got from the volunteer potato, if anything. Oof. One tiny potato. Oof. Who knows? See if any more pop up next year. The thing about root vegetables, like potatoes, is you get volunteers for a really long time. Okay, that is all for potatoes for this season. If you would like to know more about growing potatoes, please watch the video in this corner and I will tell you all about it. As you can see, it's fun and it gives you a pretty bountiful harvest, which will keep you eating for at least a couple weeks, depending on how many you grow, maybe months, without the grocery store. All right, Garden Avenue, I will see you later. Bye-bye.
Please like, subscribe, and share this channel.